Can you please start by introducing yourself? Then we'll move on to Viva. Yeah.
Mm. Um, Currently I'm working in iNew Software Solutions Private Limited.
Okay.
There, I am doing one project regarding SPJ, means it's basically mainly into insurance domain,
Okay.
and all the like whenever new CRs are coming, then we are preparing WPS for that. And
Okay.
after preparing it, we are giving one estimation, and then team leader will verify that. According to that, we will start whether it's possible feasibility or of the project, and then we will start developing and delivering it into the in time.
Okay. Okay. So you're into.
Unit testing also we are doing,
Okay.
like
Okay.
verification testing, unit testing. Once the application is done, no, we are
Okay. So your job designation is like a developer, but you're learning testing because you're required to do so. Is that so?
no, actually, yes, I am into C# developer, but
Okay.
I want to do in go for testing
Okay. Okay. Uh,
for
okay.
automation.
That's great. Fine. I mean, I have seen people from testing, they jump to developing side. So I'm seeing a developer trying to come into testing. I hope it will be a fun journey for you. Yeah.
There is a first beginning of the career I am telling you, like I started my career as a database L3 L2 support, na L2
Okay.
support, application support. That one I did. So 2 years I did that, and after that API develop means support, web-based application support also I have given,
Okay.
and then. And then I started doing L3 job also. Slowly they gave me code access, and then to fix the issue if some error is coming. And later they means after 1 year they moved to developer position. So
Okay.
currently in developing field I have total 2 years of experience, like CR's development. But in between also there is 6 month gap. And after my maternity I joined testing.
Okay. Okay. That's great, Celestina. We'll start right away. Could you differentiate between compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism?
Compile time polymorphism is compile time polymorphism and
Yes.
runtime polymorphism. Mm.
Yes.
Runtime means it's a overload. You are asking about method overloading and method overriding, right?
Yes. Yes.
Means method overriding, we are the signature should be same,
Okay.
but inside we are doing different activity, means actions are different. Like for example, some integer a and integer b. Okay, we have defined one function. Method overloading means we are doing the same sum function, but with different operators, like different data types, like double a and double b, like that. So that is one of the method overloading. And method overriding is like in case of inheritance we are using. Suppose uh, we in parent class we have defined one function. In
Okay.
child class we want to override that function. So that is called method overriding.
Okay. Fine. So, what is runtime polymorphism and what is compile time polymorphism? In method overloading and overloading, which belongs to runtime and which belongs to compile time?
Overloading and overriding, which belongs to
Compile time polymorphism and which one belongs to runtime polymorphism?
runtime polymorphism is method overriding, and method overloading is compile time.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, can you differentiate between what is JDK, JRE, and JVM?
JDK is Java Development Kit. JRE is Java Runtime Environment, and what is
JVM.
JVM, Java Virtual Machine.
Okay.
JDK in JRE actually it's a runtime environment, means here it's a combination of JDK and JVM.
Is JRE a combination of JDK and JVM?
Actually, Java JDK is a combination. Inside that, JRE is there and JVM is there.
Okay.
JDK.
Okay. How about JRE?
JRE is it's a providing a runtime environment for running the Java code. Like first we are writing a program into human understandable language, now then we are converting into the bytecode dot class file to dot bytecode we are doing. So dot bytecode we are that is interpretation time.
Okay.
And actually, that bytecode we can run in different environment. If JRE is installed, means we can
Yes.
run that file.
Okay, wonderful. Then what is JVM?
JVA, Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine itself. Like.
It is responsible for the execution of main method. Right?
Yes. Converting the dot class file to dot bytecode.
Okay, fine. It's okay. Fine. Can you differentiate between throw and throws? The keywords throw and throws.
Throw we are using in exception handling, because whenever suppose we know that error will error will happen, then in that case we will use try and catch block, and inside that we are executing throw exception, means
Okay.
before it we know that this is the exception is going to happen.
Okay.
So throws means multiple exceptions inside that we can give.
Okay. Throw is used to throw an exception, and throws we are declaring an exception will be exception might happen. Okay. And then can you differentiate between, or can you define what is finally block and what is a default block?
Finally block and default block.
Yes.
Default block, it's coming in switch case. That one you were asking?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Switch case default means suppose in switch condition we are defining one function.
Yes.
So defining one condition. So on the basis of the condition, it is executing that. If all the conditions are not satisfied, then by default it will execute something. So that will execute in default block.
Okay.
Then finally means means always that will also execute inside the code, like it is used in the case of exception handling. Finally,
yes, try and catch. If we have finally block, even if try,
if it is exception there or not, it will execute.
Wonderful. Okay, we'll write some programs. Could you please share your screen?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, open your Eclipse and create a new class, please.
New class, sir.
Yeah, new class. If you create like this, it will be in the default package. So
it is coming under this package, new project.
Yeah, okay, fine. It's okay. It will create another package called as default, and it will put your
Okay,
Java
you
file.
are telling like to create inside one package.
If you are aiming for that, you can do that, or else you can create another class in your existing package also.
I will create one package only, then there only I will do.
Sure. Okay. Create a main method, please. I have sent you an array in the Zoom chat. Can you copy paste it?
Okay.
Okay. In this array,
Hmm.
can you find the sum of all even numbers and the sum of all odd numbers?
Sum of all even numbers and sum of all odd numbers.
Yes. I understand you're trying to sum up all the index positions. Is that right?
No, I want to put one into for loop like.
Okay. How do we
I
do that?
want to check.
Okay. Okay.
So that we can do now, like this, as you told.
You can
That
create
also.
a for loop. Yeah. That can you solve this using for loop? It will be better. If you want a hint, you have to create for loop, and as you created, you have to create a couple of conditional blocks inside it.
Mm. I need to create a new like variable. Oh no. Only I need some, na? Like,
Yes.
okay.
No, what is the error in line number 14?
Initialize variable. Already I initialize variable.
You have not initialized, you have
Just
declared it.
input.
Put int
Okay,
odd
int is
equal to,
zero. Yes.
Celestina, if there are 100 index positions, how will you write the logic? Here we have only 10 index positions. We have written the logic like this. If there are 100 index positions, how will you write the logic?
100 index position. I equals to I divided by 2 equal to 0.
Should be divided, or it should be I divided by 2 is not equal to 0.
Not
I
equal to 0
modulus 2
means
is,
sorry. I remainder should be 0. If
which
remainder
means,
should be 0, I modulus percentage symbol.
yes.
Hmm.
Can you try to do it here in this program also?
Uh-huh.
Because whenever we write a program, we have to make it standardized so that it can applicable for all data, all types of data we are giving.
Okay.
Should you put sysout inside the for loop or outside the for loop?
Outside the for loop actually. Otherwise it will print things.
Okay.
Taking
In,
zero only,
yeah.
actually, here we need to convert it to int or what?
No. This is fine. Can you comment line number 15 and write odd equal to odd plus error of I?
Odd equals to, okay.
Still you are getting the 0. Uh, odd equal to odd plus, yeah, right. I is equal to 0. 0th index position.
0 plus 0 equal to 0.
See, there's a mistake in for loop. Can you see the condition line number 11? Okay. Create a new class, please. Can you copy paste the same array, Celestina? Can you copy the first 5 index positions and place it as the last 5 index positions?
First,
Yeah, cut it, Control X, paste it after 10. 10 comma and paste it. Do you know how to sort this array?
arrays dot sort
Okay, that is a function. Can you know how to sort this without using the sort function?
without using sort function. We need to compare with each value, like
Yeah. Would you like
index.
to do that?
After comparing, if it is less, then it will come to first position.
Mm. Should we use new keyword?
New. New array that length.
Yeah.
This array dot length.
Are we missing something here? No, that's not it. How do you create an array? Forget about the length. How do you create an array? What is the syntax? Data type, array name is equal to new, and then data type.
Data
Right?
type.
Huh?
A new int. Okay, sorry.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay. And then what we do? Should we put curly brackets or square brackets? No, after int.
Actually, wrong.
No, this is correct. Whatever you did is correct. Give control is it? And then end it with semicolon. Change the name. What is the error here? Cannot be resolved to a type. Remove that bracket, square bracket. Yes. Hover over error. Okay. Length and bracket is a string function. Just length is an array function. Okay. Now, what else? How can we sort it? You have created a new array. Now you are checking whichever is less will come in the first index position. Is it what you are trying to do, Celestina?
Yes.
Okay.
But this also not visible now. Always. Hmm.
Okay.
But always it will store in 0 position only.
Okay.
But how to increment this 0? Another, I think, variable I need to declare, no?
Okay. Okay, fine. There are a lot of ways to do that, but using nested for loop, we can solve this, but this is okay. Do you know how to proceed after this, Celestina?
How to?
How to proceed after this?
How to proceed after this?
Yes. Because we are running out of time and we have to see some more problems also.
If it is more than this, then we will add to the next position. Like
This is fine. It will check if the a particular value is less than all
less
the
than-
value. If it is less than, then it will be assigned to the 0th index position. This is fine. Can you, after the for loop, can you put syso and print arr 2.0, arr, the 0th index position of arr2? AR 2.2. Can you run it, please? Okay, okay. The length of the array is 10 minus 1, right? Loop, in the loop. Line number 6 is fine. In the loop only you have to give 10 minus 1 or ARR length. No, no, no. We don't have 10. How many index positions do we have?
Total 9,
Yes.
where I is greater than equal to less.
No, no. It's less than or equal to, Saraswati. Is 0 greater than 9?
Is 0 is greater than 9? No.
Is Can you run it? It's less than. Which is the line number? The error is from line number 9 actually. You change it, that's fine. Okay.
But it is coming as 0. 0, but it's not there, no? Here.
Yeah, yeah.
It's just printing the default one, default array.
Okay. Fine. As I told you, there are a lot of methods. Yeah. You do one thing, you try with nested for loop, and that is the hint. You have to use nested for loop. Will you be able to write this program and share me a screenshot of this? An explanation of how you solved it?
Okay.
Okay. Create a new class, please. Can you write a program to demonstrate encapsulation?
Okay. Encapsulation.
Yeah. You can close the test too. May I know what are you trying to do, Celestine?
Here I am calling one function
Okay.
in the main method,
Okay.
and that main method we have declared it outside. In this way, we are hiding the code. Encapsulation means we are not showing the code to.
Okay.
Uh,
Is this the setter method or getter method? In encapsulation,
method, okay, encapsulation property get and set method you are telling.
yeah.
Sorry, I have not read that.
It's okay. Can you create a new class, please?
Yeah.
Can you check if horse is an anagram of shore? Create a string. If you want, I can send it in Zoom chat also. Yeah. String horse, HORS. Yes. Check if horse is an anagram of shore, SHORE. Create another string also, Celestine. What is this? Do we have a function called as is anagram?
Will create.
You're going to create it. Okay.
Wait for a minute. Can I hold the?
Okay. Sure. Yeah.
Can I switch off the camera?
Yeah, definitely. Please do that. I can pause my recording also.
Switch.
Yes, Celeste. Please proceed.
I need to do everything into one lowercase.
Okay.
Already it's in lowercase, but if
Got it. Got it.
then I need to compare the length.
Okay. Celestina, where are we sorting this?
Hmm?
Are we sorting here anywhere?
No, we are not sorting. First, I am converting into the lower case, means
Yes.
everything will be in same.
Yes.
Comparing the length.
Okay.
If length is equal, then we are
Creating a char array.
okay,
And then
char array, and then we have to sort it. Then only if we need to compare both this.
okay.
After sorting, we are equal.
Okay.
If it is equal, then this false. If not equal, also then also we will return false. So here it will.
Okay, fine, Celestina. Will you write me a program for encapsulation as well as for sorting without the arrays.sort function? Will you share the screenshot and the description of how you achieved that?
Okay, without sorting, you are telling.
No, not here. In our previous second question, test 2.
Okay. Test to encapsulation, test 4.
Okay, you do the for encapsulation as well as not sorting, the greatest, finding the
Okay, sorting the array.
sorting the int array from lowest number to largest number. You do that, you send a screenshot to me, and then after, as well as description, I'll review it and I'll tell Ishan that you have passed this exam. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Celestina. You are wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.